So let's start video and let's see that how we can delete blank pages in MS Word. So as you can see, there are 14 pages on the screen, and I have minimized the size just because of your clear understanding. Okay, and the first 5 pages I have written some text A, B, B, C, D. Okay, and from 6 to 14 the pages are blank. So make sure all the pages should be blank from where you wanted to delete. Okay, suppose I wanted to delete from 6 to last. As you can see that all pages are blank. If is there any written text, it will take that part also. Okay, so make sure that all the pages should be blank. Okay, now we will use the keyword. The keyword is Control Shift and End. When you will press all 3 buttons together, it will take all the pages till last. Okay, as you can see, Control Shift and End. So as you can see that all the pages, it selected all the pages. Now a simple button delete. When you will press delete button, all the pages will be deleted. So again I'm repeating, make sure from where you wanted to delete, every page should be blank. Nothing should be written. If written, so it will take that part also. Means it will delete that written part also. So all the pages should be blank. Now we will press delete button and you will see that all the pages will be deleted. When we are going to press delete button now. Here you can see that all the pages are deleted. One page is left. So for that you simply move your cursor just before the before that page. Okay, and now press delete button again, and that page is also deleted. So it doesn't matter that how many pages are left blanks. You can simply use this single keyword and delete all the pages in one time. Okay, and this is very time saving and helpful also. So I hope this video will be helpful, and in case of any problems, so write in the comment section. We'll meet in the next interesting tutorial. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye.